If your Uggs are looking kind of shitty, here's how to clean them and make them look pretty. Remember those amazing Uggs that I got for only $5 in my cheap and cheerful thrift haul? Here's a refresher in case you missed it. Now, two things that I did get for my kiddo that she's absolutely ecstatic about are these genuine Ugg boots. And they are in, passable condition, considering the cheap price that I paid for them. But, come on, that's super duper cute. And the same, this, absolutely adorable. They just need, to be cleaned up, and I think they're going to be wonderful. So first I removed any of the little stones or bits of salt or anything that were in the grips of the boots. Then I popped them in a couple of laundry bags and headed over to my machine where I put them inside. And then I used my eco-friendly laundry soap and my DIY vinegar-based laundry softener. And I did a quick wash in warm as well as a fast spin. And then I let it go. Now, if you are thinking to yourself, oh my God, you can't put Uggs in the washing machine. You absolutely can. It says so on their website and gives you all the tips and tricks over there. So once my load of Ugg boots was done, I removed them from the washing machine, of course, and headed over to my table. I put an old towel down on my table because I noticed that some of the color of the Uggs had actually colored the laundry bags, and I didn't want that getting all over my table. But look at this, how absolutely totally clean did these come out. Of course, some of the fluffies also came off, but that's fine. I can just use a lint roller once they're dry and get rid of all those little bits of fluff. And these ones came out even better than the other ones. The bottoms are completely utterly, totally clean. They look absolutely fantastic. And then I simply hung them upside down on my laundry drying rack and I left them there for a couple of days. The boots are totally dry now, and look at that. They are looking almost as good as new, I would say. I just have to go over them with the little lint roller here and get off any of those fuzzy fluffies. And these ones as well look just as good as new. Look, the bottoms are perfect. And once again, just got to go over with the lint roller, and then they're going to be all ready to get wrapped up and gifted to my kiddo for Valentine's Day.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.